Japan may be one of the most traveler-friendly countries in the world, but packing wrong can cost you time, comfort, and even some precious yen. This guide is packed with up-to-date insights, cultural tips, and personal experience to help make your trips smoother and smarter. Ready to pack like a pro? Let's dive in. Section 1. Luggage Strategy for Japan. When it comes to luggage, size matters, especially in Japan. For a 1 to 2 week trip, the ideal setup is a medium-sized suitcase, around 60-70 liters, and a foldable duffel bag or nested carry-on inside. This gives you flexibility for both storage and return trip shopping. Japan's excellent public transportation is fast, clean, and efficient, but not suitcase-friendly in all cases. Train stations often have multiple flights of stairs and narrow gates, and not all bullet trains have designated luggage spaces unless reserved. Lugging a massive checked bag through Kyoto Station at rush hour? Not ideal. That's where luggage forwarding services come in. Yamato Transport, Kuroneko, and Sagawa offer affordable same or next-day delivery from hotel to hotel, allowing you to travel bag-free between cities. You can drop your suitcase at the front desk and meet it at your next destination for around 2,000 to 3,000 yen. If planning to stay in one hotel for most of your trip, bring what you need. But for those hopping cities or using multiple train lines, less is definitely more. Choose function over fashion when it comes to your suitcase. And always leave room for souvenirs. Japan is dangerously good at tempting shoppers. Section 2. Footwear Fundamentals. Let's talk shoes, because in Japan, they're more than just fashion. Every traveler should be ready to remove their shoes daily, at traditional restaurants, temples, shrines, castles, even some hotels and ryokan. Slip-on footwear is not just a suggestion. It's your new best friend. Bring 2 pairs of shoes. One main walking pair that's ultra comfy for long days, 20,000 steps is common, and one backup that fits the season or occasion. Avoid high-top lace-ups that are a hassle to untie constantly. In winter, waterproof ankle boots with good grip are ideal for cold mornings or trips to northern regions like Hokkaido. In summer, lightweight, breathable sneakers are a must, and packing a pair of sandals or slides is useful for hot springs or ryokan stays. Japanese locals favor stylish, yet practical shoes, with brands like New Balance and Onitsuka Tiger being especially popular. While it's easy to buy shoes in Japan, it's best to come prepared with the right pair. Section 3. Clothes to blend in and stay comfortable. Japanese street style is a blend of understated elegance and clean silhouettes. Dressing modestly isn't just about cultural respect. It helps you feel more comfortable and less out of place. What not to wear: loud athleisure like yoga pants, ultra-tight tops, deep V-necks, or anything too revealing. This applies especially to women, as showing cleavage is generally uncommon, even in summer. Instead, choose smart casual outfits. Women can wear loose blouses, midi skirts, tailored pants, and breathable fabrics. Men can go for neutral polos, button-down shirts, or basic tees paired with chinos or jeans. Spring and fall are ideal for layering, so light jackets, cardigans, and scarves are recommended. In summer, temperatures can exceed 90 degrees, 32 degrees, so moisture-wicking clothes and spare shirts are essential. During winter, a warm coat or down jacket is necessary, especially in Tokyo and colder regions after sunset. A word on sizing. Japanese clothes tend to run smaller than Western sizes. A US medium may be a Japanese large or even XL. Brands like Uniqlo and GU offer international sizing and great quality at good prices, perfect for emergency outfits or weather changes. Section 4. Pajamas and sleepwear tips. Here's a surprise for first-timers. Many Japanese hotels provide pajamas as part of their room amenities. These range from traditional yukata robes to comfy 2-piece sets. They're cleaned daily, and yes, you can wear them around the hotel, even to breakfast at some places. However, if you're particularly tall or outside the standard Japanese size range, usually SL, it's worth checking with your hotel in advance to see if the sleepwear will fit. If you're staying in hostels or capsule hotels, it's better to pack a lightweight sleep set of your own. This little trick can save space in your luggage, and you'll look surprisingly stylish in that striped cotton yukata. Section 5. Bag essentials and day packs. In Japan, you're likely to be out exploring for hours, so a well-chosen day pack is essential. Go for something compact, 13 to 15 inches, light and easy to carry on trains. Backpacks that double as airplane carry-ons are ideal. For day-to-day use, pair your backpack with a crossbody bag that's weather-resistant and theft-safe. Japanese cities are incredibly safe, but crowded areas like Shibuya Crossing or Osaka's Dotonbori can still be disorienting. Keep valuables close and secure. Another must-have, a coin pouch. Japan uses coins for many purchases, especially YLO $100 and YES 500 coins for vending machines, public lockers, or arcade games. Your standard wallet may not be built to handle the volume, so a slim side pouch makes life easier. With the right bag setup, you'll move like a local and never fumble for change when that cold melon soda calls your name. Section 6. Tech and connectivity must-haves. In a country where convenience is everything, staying connected is a big part of navigating Japan smoothly. First things first, internet access. For travelers in 2025, there are 3 great connectivity options. An eSIM is ideal for newer smartphones, as it's quick to install and doesn't require a physical card. A physical SIM card is also reliable and can be purchased at airports or electronics stores. For groups or those using multiple devices, pocket Wi-Fi is the best choice and can be rented at the airport or booked online in advance. If unsure which to choose, go with the one that matches your comfort level with tech. Pocket Wi-Fi is especially handy for families or friends sharing data. You'll also want a portable power bank. Between checking Google Maps, scanning QR codes, using your Suica app, and translating menus, your phone battery will disappear faster than a plate of takoyaki in Osaka. A charger with at least 10,000 mAh is a great investment. As for power plugs, Japan uses Type A sockets, 2-prong, same as the US. Travelers from the UK, Europe, or Australia will need an adapter. Also, most hotel rooms have limited outlets, so consider bringing a USB charging hub or multi-plug adapter to keep everything juiced up overnight. One more tip, bring a VPN. Not only does it help with privacy on public Wi-Fi networks, like those in cafes, bullet trains, or hotels, but it also lets you access your usual streaming services from home. Some platforms are geo-restricted, so a VPN keeps your shows and apps within reach. Section 7. Toiletries and hygiene tips. Japan is known for its cleanliness, and that extends to its hotel amenities. Most hotels provide toothbrushes, toothpaste, razors, shampoo, body soap, and even hairbrushes, often neatly arranged and sealed. However, there are a few personal care items worth bringing. Deodorant is recommended, as Japanese brands are usually mild and less effective in hot or active conditions. Pads are widely available and high quality, but tampons can be limited in variety and comfort, so it's best to bring your preferred brand. A mini hand sanitizer and a foldable umbrella are useful for hygiene and unexpected weather. Paper soap is also helpful, especially in parks or train station restrooms, where hand soap may be unavailable. Speaking of restrooms, it's not unusual for public bathrooms, especially in rural areas or train stations, to lack hand dryers or paper towels. That's why locals often carry a small hand towel. You'll find cute ones in every convenience store. And for peace of mind, pack a basic first aid kit. Pain relievers, stomach medicine, allergy tablets, or anything you frequently use. Japanese medication exists, but it's generally less potent than Western brands and sometimes difficult to explain at a pharmacy. Section 8. Money, cash, and coins. Here's something every visitor should know. Cash is still essential in Japan. Yes, credit cards and IC cards are more widely accepted than before, but cash remains the default at small restaurants, temples, local markets, and even some taxis. Plan to withdraw around 20,000 to 30,000 yen after landing. The easiest ATMs are at 7-Eleven, Lawson, and Japan Post, which accept most foreign cards and offer English menus. Don't underestimate the importance of coins. Coins are needed for vending machines, capsule toy dispensers, gacha, and coin lockers and stations. It helps to carry a wallet with a large coin pouch, or better yet, bring a separate small coin purse to manage all the change you'll accumulate. It makes checkout smoother and your wallet lighter. For daily travel, IC cards like Suica, Pasmo, or iCoca are must-haves. They work for trains, subways, convenience stores, and even vending machines. Most are now available digitally on phones, but physical cards are still popular and easy to reload. Section 9. Leave room for shopping. Japan is a wonderland for shoppers. Whether it's fashion, quirky gadgets, beauty products, anime merch, or beautifully designed stationery, there's something for every taste and budget. Expect to fall in love with shopping spots like Don Quixote, a multi-floor treasure trove of everything from snacks to souvenirs. Loft and Tokyo Hands offer lifestyle products with smart design and quality. Local flea markets are hidden gems full of vintage goods and unique finds. For fans and collectors, Pokémon centers are a true paradise. Here's the tip. Leave 20 to 30% of your suitcase space empty. You'll need it. If you're already planning to shop, pack a foldable duffel, or bring a suitcase within a suitcase setup. Need a new suitcase before flying home? Look for Moni or Muji, stylish, practical, and often more affordable than expected. Buying one near the end of your trip is a smart move if you went a little overboard. And who doesn't in Japan? Section 10. Laundry and rewearing clothes. Most travelers don't realize just how easy doing laundry is in Japan. Nearly every hotel, hostel, and guest house has coin-operated washing machines and dryers, often with instructions in English. If staying for more than a week, this means you can pack lighter. Bring detergent sheets, pods, or powder packets, as detergent isn't always provided. Here are some seasonal tips. In winter, rewearing outfits is fine since clothes are heavier and you sweat less. In summer, the humidity is intense, so expect to sweat and change clothes daily, sometimes more than once. For convenience, pack laundry bags to keep dirty clothes separated, and a collapsible clothesline if you're hand washing on the go. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and stick around for more Japan travel tips. Thanks for watching, and happy packing!